Yes or
Yeah,
no?
yes, it is visible.
Yeah. Any doubts on the reporting ledger? సో ఆల్రెడీగా మనం ప్రైమరీ లెజర్ ని మెయింటైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. రిపోర్టింగ్ లెజర్ ని ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే రిపోర్టింగ్ పర్పస్ కోసమే. వాళ్ళ కరెన్సీలో ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ అన్ని ట్రాన్స్లేట్ అయ్యి రిపోర్టింగ్ పర్పస్ కోసం రిపోర్టింగ్ లెజర్ చేస్తారు. సో ఫస్ట్ we will create a reporting ledger in the application. How we will create a reporting ledger? Navigate into the application. Click on setup and maintenance. Change it as a financial. Under functional area, select the general ledger. Here select the all tasks. Go to the manage reporting currencies. Someone has changed this reporting. Here it is getting as a secondary ledger. It should come as a reporting ledger here. And manage reporting currencies. If you select this, automatically it should populate here, manage reporting ledger. This is again, this is other one. This is a secondary ledger. It is not related to the reporting ledger. What will we do with this manage reporting currencies? Now it came gap primary ledger is our gap primary ledger, and this is the managed reporting currencies. We need to map here with the gap primary ledger to reporting ledger. Earlier it is not coming, now it is coming. You can notice here manage reporting currencies. Source ledger is the gap primary ledger. Because of what is the source ledger? If you enter any journal in the primary ledger, the gap primary ledger, automatically the journal should populate in the should import into the to translate into the reporting ledger. So whatever the parameters here, gap primary ledger instance, INR, accounting calendar, and accrual method is standard accrual. Now I will create a one reporting ledger here. Practice చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా you will be confused. Source ledger student first, which ledger, either it is our ledger or not. First we need to confirm that what is the source ledger. Click on the create button. Name gap we want to reporting in which currency, like Saudi Arabian Riyal. They are reporting currency, reporting ledger. And currency conversion level. Here we have three types of levels: balance level, journal level, and subledger level. Subledger means whatever the transactions, if you posted in the accounts payable or accounts receivable, it will be translated. Journal level means whatever the journals in the GL, if you post, all the journals will be translated from functional currency to foreign currency. Currency. To which currency we are going to translate the transactions. So we have selected the Saudi Arabian Riyal. First open period, ledger options. It will take from our accounting calendar, Jan 22. Rounding account, we should give the rounding account. If there is any differences, it will be captured. As of now, I am not entering any rounding account. And we need to define the default conversion rate type. Rate types are of, we have 4 rate types: corporate rate, market rate, spot, and exchange. Already I have discussed about the rate types. So we need to select the rate type. Which rate type is it? I am selecting as a corporate rate. Journal source, other, all these details are not mandatory. So we have created a reporting ledger with the SAR currency for reporting purpose. Once if you finish all this, enter the details, click on save. So we have created a gap SAR reporting ledger. We mapped with the primary ledger. Click on save and close. The status is active. Conversion level is currency. Conversion level is journal. Currency is SAR. Click on save and close. So once if we have created this ledger, so now we will create a new user for testing reporting ledger. Because of why we are going to test means, మనం ప్రైమరీ లెడ్జర్ లో జర్నల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు రిపోర్టింగ్ లెడ్జర్ లో జర్నల్ ఎంటర్ అయిందా, పోస్ట్ అయిందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి we will create a new user ఫర్ మనకి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకుండా ఉండడానికి ఒక కొత్త యూజర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం. We will create new user. So creating of new user, navigate into the setup and maintenance. Select the financials. Under financials, initial users, click on all tasks and create the implementation user. If you click on the implementation user, so automatically the application will move to the security console page. How the security console page will come? We will assign the IT security manager to the user. Once if you assign this IT security, the user is able to create the new users. Click on add user account to create a new user. Username is gap reporting. So we have created a new user with the gap reporting. So what are the roles we should assign? Can anyone tell? To access the general ledger, the user want to create the journals in the application. What are the roles is we need to assign?
General accountant,
financial analyst,
general accounting manager, financial analyst,
and
general accountant.
So we have given these two roles to the user to access the general accounting module. Once if you assign these roles, what is the next step? So we have created the user. We have assigned the roles. Next, we need to perform the data access for users. To perform the data access set for the users, navigate into the setup and maintenance. Financials, user and security, all tasks, and manage data access for users. We have assigned only the roles to the user. Now we are going to give access to the CL module. Gap reporting role is general accounting manager. Data access it. We have created a gap SAR ledger, reporting ledger. General accounting manager, data access it, gap SAR reporting ledger. Save and close. So what we have done, we have created a reporting ledger. We have then roles and we give data access for the user to access the SAR reporting ledger to perform the open close period activities and to post the journals in the ledger. Click on done. So we have created a data access set also. Now we will perform the open close period activities for the new reporting ledger. sign out with the GA user, and I will sign in with the GA gap SAR reporting user. Navigate into general accounting to perform the open close period activities. From the general accounting dashboard, click on the period close. See here data access set gap SAR reporting ledger. How it came means we have given a data access set for the user. So we assign roles to the user and we given data access set. The general ledger period is never opened. So we will open the periods now. First period is Jan 22. Click on OK. Now we have opened only the first period. Now we want to give the target period. Like February is a future enterable. In the future enterable, we can enter the journals, but we cannot post. Always that status should be in the open. So we will give a target period. Target period I will give as a March. February period status is open. Click on OK, done. For this user, we don't have anything access like IT security manager or setup and maintenance, nothing is there. We have given only the general accounting and general accounting manager. That is the reason he can able to perform only the general accounting. He cannot able to run the schedule process phase also. Only he can able to see the journals. I'm testing. We didn't give any employee role, but he can access to run the schedule process only. Okay, no problem. We will sign out with this one. We perform the period close activities also. Now we need to define the exchange rate, daily rates. Why we need to define the daily rates? Because of we are going to translate the transactions from functional currency to foreign currency at journal level. So we need the conversion rate. What is the conversion rate of the today's date? INR to SAR. 0.050. We will define this daily rate in the application. How we will define the daily rate? Setup and maintenance. Financials. Financial reporting structure. Select the manage daily rates. Select the daily rates and click on creating spreadsheet. If you click on create on spreadsheet, it will download one Excel sheet. It's an ADFDA template. So we need to upload daily rates from the spreadsheet. Wait for 2 minutes. It will take time to synchronize the data from ledger to this level. So it opened the to create a daily rates. So we need to enter the data. So from which currency to which currency we are creating the daily rates. Our functional currency is the INR. Select the INR. Which currency we are going to transfer the balances, journals from INR to SAR, because of we have created a SAR reporting ledger. Select the SAR, conversion rate, date, rate type. What is the conversion rate type? We have see all these are someone has created all these rate types: period, average rate, period end rate, and corporate, spot, everything. We need to select a corporate rate here because of while creating at the time of reporting ledger, we selected the corporate rate as a conversion rate. That is the reason I am selecting a corporate rate here. Some conversion rate, date, today date. Today date. What is the conversion rate? Today conversion rate is 0.05. Enter all these details and click on the submit. The system will upload into this template will upload into the application automatically. Submission option. Click on OK. Row inserted successfully. So we have defined the daily rates also. Now we will enter the journal in INR currency and post it. Then it should be in the reporting ledger also in SAR. To create a journal in the application, navigate into the home page. Navigate into the general accounting general accounting dashboard. Click on journals. Create journal. Accounting period is step 22. Journal is gap voting JV 1. Category it will come automatically because of we have selected as a profile option gap rent. Gap primary ledger. Today's date is 9/2/22 accounting date. Select the cash. So we have entered all the details to post the journal. Gap rent account is set to cash account creditor. We'll save it, complete it, and post it. Here we have entered in our functional currency INR. We want to see this journal in the reporting ledger with the SAR, Saudi Arabian Riyal. Batch status is posted. Now we will check it in the reporting ledger. Sign out this user. Sign in with the gap reporting. To check the journal, click on general accounting, click on journals, search with manage journals, search with our period. See, automatically the journal were imported to gap SAR reporting ledger. This is the gap reporting ledger. Click on this. Entered currency is INR and accounted in SAR, Saudi Arabian Riyal currency. This is the reporting ledger. Whatever the journals you posted in the functional currency in the primary ledger for reporting purpose, if you want to transfer all the journals from functional currency to foreign currency at journal level, automatically it should come into the reporting ledger. This is the reporting ledger concept for reporting purpose. For that, we need to perform all these setups. We need to perform the exchange rate types. We need to perform the create reporting ledger. Creating of reporting ledger, we need to keep in the mind that for which ledger we are going to create a reporting ledger. So we need to select our primary ledger only. This was the status is in posted. Now, if they want to generate reports in the SAR reals, easily they can generate the financial statement reports for reporting purpose. Let me know if you have any doubts in the reporting ledger. So another topic is revaluation. What is the use of revaluation? Revaluation is used to identify the unrealized gain or unrealized loss occurs due to the foreign currency exchange rate fluctuation at the time of original journal entry posting and when we run the revaluation. Like if we have any foreign currency journals, or suppose we have created a journal on 01st 2, we have created a foreign currency journal like USD. On that day, the market rate is around 80. When we run the revaluation at the today date, every day the market rate will be, there is a fluctuation, either it will be a high or it will be a low. For suppose on the 9th it is a 85 market rate, then there would be a difference five like $5 or 5 rupees something. So to identify that unrealized gain or unrealized loss, we will run the revaluation. To perform that, we need to perform the setup. First, we need to define the exchange rate type and exchange rates, and we need to assign this unrealized gain or unrealized loss account at ledger level. Enter some foreign currency journal, and we need to modify that exchange rate type, and we need to run the revaluation. So revaluation tomorrow we can